What is going on? Alex Meller here, and this is yet another edition of Wi-Fi Money Cribs. I just landed in Punta Mita, and you guys are about to see what a $40 million home looks like. 60,000 square feet. Why don't you follow me in? One of the most beautiful parts of this home is as you look around, the tropical nature of the home. Everywhere you go, inside and outside living, right in the entrance, check out the beauty. Moving on over here to the formal dining area. One of the craziest things are the details in this home. This table alone, can't tell you the exact price, but it's tens of thousands of dollars just for one table. Follow me. Moving over here to the living room, beautiful glass doors. Got a couple friends hanging out here. This is where we come have meetings, where we enjoy a couple drinks. Look at these lamps, the piano, the chess, and everything you see here, the wood accents and decorations, like I told you, very expensive. Let's go. Oof, you're about to see one of my favorite parts of the entire home, which is obviously the infinity pool. You guys know how much I love infinity pools. Follow me. Here we have the Wi-Fi Money crew about to have a breakfast, enjoying our day. And then just take a look at this. Oh man, the infinity pool down to our private beach. This entire estate, all for us. Now let's go check out one of the rooms. Can't show you all the rooms, they're a little private, but follow me. One of the things you'll notice everywhere we go in the home, people are working, they're making money. They're all making money from Wi-Fi. Let's check out one of the small little offices over here with my boys. Hey. Making money directly in their room, baby. Follow me, you're about to see my favorite part of this entire home. So now you're about to follow me downstairs to the entertainment area where we have a spa, where we have a wine cellar, a movie theater, but I'm gonna take the elevator. I'll see you downstairs. By the way, this is one of 4 elevators in this home. But come this way, onto the spa. Now, like I told you, this is my favorite part of the home. Every single morning, cold plunge, steam room, sauna, and 2 massage tables in case you have a guest. Let's go. Moving on to another part, we have small little conventions. I love to watch movies. So what did I do? Built a private movie theater. Very different style, but I'm pretty sure this couch alone can fit 20 people. Check it out. Like I mentioned before, everywhere you go, you're gonna see these water fountains and trees, and it's just, we love the indoor-outdoor living. And onto an incredible room where we entertain guests in our private wine cellar. Of course, after a long night of drinking, having fun, entertaining guests, don't use this room too much, but you gotta have a gym in your home. Just the basics, little cardio, little weights, get a sweat in after the spa. Can't ask for much more. By the way, have not shown you yet, but this place has over 20 bathrooms. Now on to the most peaceful part of the home. Follow me. Over here we have our private yoga / massage room. I mean, you just feel, this part of the house feels like you're in Bali. Take a look around, vegetation, the tables, the trees, an outdoor volleyball pool. Let's go. Another one of the best places of the home. This is where we really entertain guests. We got the ping pong table, the pool table, have drinks, smoke cigars outside. But now you're truly going to see why this home is over $40 million. Follow me to what I think is the craziest part of this home. I cannot believe this, but here we are in our private bowling alley inside the home. Not just one, but 2 lanes. This is where we really come to have fun. Over here on the left-hand side, this is where we do some golfing. Got to practice the swing. We got a full-blown golf simulator. Incredible. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have seen this beautiful, beautiful home. I can't show you it all. There's another 2 floors up there with more than 10 rooms. However, my boys are waiting for me. We've got a buffet style breakfast. I'm about to have champagne and you need to get out.
Badass, bro. Oh my